How to quiet your mind in 5 minutes. Does your mind ever feel like a crowded room full of noise? It's hard to escape when thoughts swirl and chatter builds. There's a simple trick to quiet it down. It takes just 5 minutes, and it has a spiritual twist that makes it special. Find a calm spot to start. Your couch works, or a chair, or even the edge of your bed. Sit still. Plant your feet if you can. Now, notice your thoughts. Don't push them away. Don't wrestle with them. Watch them like clouds drifting across a wide, open sky. Picture each one floating by, slowly and steadily. Let them go without holding on. This is an old mindfulness practice. It clears mental clutter without any struggle. Next, bring in your breath. Inhale slow and deep for 4 seconds. Feel it fill your chest. Exhale for 6, long and smooth. Imagine that breath washing away the noise like a soft wave over a shore. If a thought lingers, say, "Not now," softly, kindly. Shift back to your breathing. It's like tuning a radio from static to a peaceful station. This isn't just about finding quiet. Spiritually, it's about making space. Your soul gets room to breathe. Clarity can rise up naturally. You don't need to be a monk. You don't need hours of silence. 5 minutes can shift everything. It's a mini retreat from the chaos of your day. It's not about emptying your mind. That's tough for anyone. It's about softening the volume. Peace settles in. Over time, this gets easier. The calm lingers longer each try. What's buzzing in your head today? Give this a try. 5 minutes, less than brewing coffee. See if it fades. That stillness is your inner power waking up. It's there whenever you need it.